After knowing about the definition, purposes, and steps of writing the press release, one needs to know about different press releases. Depending upon the purpose of the community's announcements, there are majorly 7 types of the press releases. We will discuss each of the type one by one. The prevalent type of press release is an event press release. It is used to promote a newsworthy event that an organization is hosting, attending, or sponsoring. These press releases aim to raise awareness among the general public and encourage media members to attend or cover the event. This must be sent well in time to the media so that concerned people come to know about the event in time. Cover the 5 W's of journalism to attract the media and prospective visitors. In addition to 5 W's, add the H, how to. If it is being written for the general public, this means explaining how they can obtain tickets or sign up to attend. Moreover, finally, a good event press release should explain why this event is worth attending, what makes the event the best of its kind, how will attendees benefit. By emphasizing the value, you will drive intrigue and attendance. Here is an example of an event press release. Let us have a look at this. Punjab Agricultural University, Ludhiana is announcing its flower show here. The first paragraph is covering the what, where and when all within. In the second paragraph, the quote from a critical person helped explain how and inviting visitors to participate in various activities. The instructions for both the general public and the media wrap up the press release and provide the reader with an opportunity to interact further. Next type of press release is new hire press release. The organization uses it to announce essential leadership changes. It focuses on high-level executives and acts as the formal announcement to inform customers, investors, and the hire's general public. In addition to the new hire's name and position, you will want to feature some highlights from their professional background. Not only will this help to describe what they will be bringing to the organization objectively, but it gives customers and investors a better idea of what to expect from the new executive. This section can include past roles, companions they have worked for, and any significant professional achievements. Additionally, you will want to cover their key responsibilities and priorities moving forward, which will help to shape the position they are filling. A quote from a current executive team member can express the company's excitement and highlight the new hire's key responsibilities and priorities. Similarly, a new hire quote can help legitimize your brand by highlighting what drew them to this new role. If the employee they are replacing moved internally, you may consider briefly mentioning their new role in the company as well. Having a look over an example of new hire press release, we can see that Costa Coffee announces its new CEO. The first paragraph is discussing the new appointment, the change which will occur due to this. It further discusses the achievements of the previous CEO. Then past achievement of new CEO is discussed. Also, the quotes are giving a personal touch to the news. Next comes the award press release. When the organization receives an exciting accolade, an award press release will help spread the news. Although industry awards are typical, they are rarely publicized. For the audience to learn of the organization's achievement, it needs to advertise through its press release. Distributing a press release positions the organization as an industry leader. It is important to remember that while press release should highlight the achievement, it should not be overly promotional. Be sure to avoid excessive punctuation and emotional language. The press release should still be objective and discuss award from a business standpoint. Consider expressing the excitement by explaining how this recognition sets the organization apart as an industry leader, or how this achievement will help to further the company's mission. Quotes from executive are an opportunity to express emotion. Grabbing the CEO or president to make a statement will offer a human element and explain what this award means for the team. A quote from a member of the organization that sponsors or gives the award is also good to provide. Going through the example here, the press release announced Jai Shri Murthy's recognition as a 2018 Women's Business Enterprise Star by Women's Business Enterprise National Council. The release announces the achievement in the introduction paragraph and gives a brief explanation of the award itself. By replicating the award's language, this section succeeds in objectivity and does not sound overly promotional. Not only does this release feature a quote from the recipient herself, but it also has a quote from the CEO and president of WBENC. Great for brand credibility. Another very commonly used press release is feature or product press release. This press release announces a new product or feature, highlighting the exciting aspects and new functionalities or attributes of the new product or feature that makes this newsworthy. The release has to focus on the benefits behind it and explain how this continues to set your brand apart from competitors. Because the hype around the new feature or product will not last forever, the release's timing is critical. If you do not plan to give any outlets an exclusive, it is recommended to distribute press release a few days before the launch date. This will give journalists enough time to put together a story and hopefully contribute to a flurry of media coverage once the launch takes place. While considering the example, this press release from Thorolo announcing the lightest running sock it had ever launched. Not only does this release comprehensively explain the new product, but it emphasizes the concept that this sock should help runners achieve a new personal best, highlighting that benefit for its customers helps set Thorolo apart from competitors and improve its brand reputation by showing that its customers are its primary focus. Finally, Thorolo used the release to announce a temporary discount on the price of the socks. While this is by no means necessary, it is undoubtedly a nice to have and will likely delight readers. Another type of press release is a rebranding press release. Rebranding is often an exciting initiative for a company. Whatever may prompt a rebrand, a merger, acquisition, and change in product direction. Do you wanna know more about feature release? Let's watch the next video.